So they say that America is the land of opportunity and equality. Equality. So if you work hard, you roll up your sleeves, and you get your hands dirty, people support you. So we're going to put that to the test. I'm going to build a KTM 300. I actually have the opportunity to either do a 250 or a 300, but I already have 6 other 250s, so I'm thinking about making this a 300 build. But it's going to take support, so we'll see how much support I can get compared to other bike builders on YouTube. People who get donations and then say that they're going to build a forever bike, and then once the bike is built and people have donated their hard-earned money, they sell the bike for a profit. We aren't going to do that. This really will be a forever bike, of which I will race the District 36 Enduros and the District 36 Hare Scrambles with. And how you can support the project is by going to the link below in the description and purchasing the songs. So if you stream them, then I only get 4/10 of 1 penny, and that can't build a bike. But if you purchase the songs in the link in the description, it will take 10,000 Apple Music sales, which you go to Apple Music, and then it will take you to the iTunes store. And so you have to purchase it in the iTunes store. That will take 10,000 purchases to complete this project. Or if you go to the Bandcamp link and purchase a song from Bandcamp, it will only take 6,500 sales / downloads from Bandcamp, and we will get this project completed. Let's see what type of support I can get. We're going to put to the test if this is a country of opportunity, equality, and if rolling up your sleeves, getting your hands dirty, earns the support and respect of the people. And oh yeah, I'm not done with the Yamaha YZ 250 build. I'm continuing that also. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. To complete the KTM 300 build, it will take 10,000 purchases of L Love Party Like a Rock Star from Apple Music through the iTunes store. You must purchase it through the iTunes store. 10,000 downloads. You guys can do this for me. Thank you. To complete the KTM 300 build, it will take 6,500 downloads of L Love Evil Through Their Eyes purchased via Bandcamp. Come on, you guys. You can help me do this. Let's get this bike built.